Hey y'all, let's use a few things from Dollar Tree like these boards and some popsicle sticks. Y'all, I use popsicle sticks and hot glue to put these boards together to make them bigger. Make a super cool little sign. And let's use some of fake sand dollars. Almost forgot what those were called. And a little bit of burlap ribbon. Y'all, this cadet blue is beautiful and it's perfect for this design and any design you want to use. Anyway, if you want the supply list, just type beach and I'll send it to you. This is so fun and easy to make. And when you see something at Dollar Tree that you love, just grab it because you know you'll use it sooner or later. And y'all, if you want to see all the sale items that are 50 to 70% off, remember type beach and I'll have all the info in there for you. And we got to add a super cute little bow. Isn't this awesome? Thanks for watching.